up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. Today we are going to be doing this green olive inspired spring makeup tutorial. I'm super excited to be using more color. I'm just feeling super inspired lately to use a bunch of color and not be so neutral, so this is the result of that. Plus, I got my Just My Luck palette from Colourpop last week and I've been dying to use it. It looks like this, except I dropped it and a bunch of these little eyeshadows flew into the wrong spot. So this little guy actually is up here, supposed to be, and this little guy is supposed to be over here. So theirs looks a little bit prettier with the color story. I shifted mine around a bit and I'm gonna have to remember that when I am saying what their names are, so that's exciting. But other than that, this palette was super fun to use, and if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Alright, let's get started, shall we? So obviously my face makeup is already done, so we're going to jump in right away with the eyes, which I am pretty stoked about. So basically the bulk of the look today is going to be using my brand new Just My Luck Colourpop eyeshadow palette. So this is their all green eyeshadow palette that they just released. I am super obsessed with it. I bought this immediately as soon as it came out because I do not have a ton of true green eyeshadows, as it turns out. I don't even have very many olives, and for the amount of eyeshadow palettes that I have, you would think I had more in my collection, and I just don't. So I thought this was the perfect way to just kind of bulk up that green collection and have something to gravitate towards if I need a green without having to search through like 400 palettes to find one. I kind of want to depot like all of my eyeshadows and put them in color order. I feel like that'd be so satisfying, but at the same time, they'd be all different pan sizes and then I wouldn't know which brand it was, and it sounds almost like a nightmare. So I'm not gonna do that, but this is a great way to just get all my greens in one spot. And they're really pretty. You have a nice mix of like mattes and satins and shimmers, so I'm here for it. Okay, the other palette I'm going to be using is my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Shadow Palette. And it looks like this. I love this one because it has a ton of fun, bright colors in it, which is awesome. But at the same time, like, it has these nice neutrals, and I'm going to use a bunch of transition shades. I'm probably going to use like 2 transition shades from this palette. Alright, so I have my brushes, and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to start with the BH Cosmetics palette. And if, there's no mirror in these big palettes, and I wish there were. Okay, so I'm going to start with just a warm transition brown, just this one here. It's actually kind of cooler. Maybe a neutral transition brown, so that I'm not taking away from any of the greens. I really want to build these colors up because I do want this to be a pretty dramatic eye. And in the Just My Luck palette, they included this really nice, like, olivey brown color that I want to use to deepen the crease later. I'm gonna use a little bit of a smaller blending brush and go in with this color right here. Nice chocolate, like true chocolate color. I'm so bad at not doing blown out looks. It's like I'm gonna keep them so close to my crease and it's not gonna be blown out at all, and then I don't know how to fix that part of who I am. Basically, I just want this brown base so that it's not all green and it's a little more wearable. I'm leaving the inner corner blank for the most part because we're going to put a bunch of green there. But I'm just really going to play with the outer corner here now. I'm gonna keep that brush we just used handy, this one, and I'm gonna take a little bit of a pointier blending brush with this Charmed shade, the olive color. Less is definitely more with this color. I feel like at this side I got a little too heavy-handed in the beginning and now it's patchy, but that side went on beautifully, so going with a light hand at first. I'm going to be spending a lot of time today on blending. I feel like it looks a little bit patchy, so I'm going to go in with a smaller, dense brush so I can kind of pack it on in the areas where I feel like it's missing. I feel like olive makes my eyes look really green. I like the way that looks. I may darken it up after I add the green shimmer. I'm not sure yet. So now to start us off, I'm going to use another flat, like a packing brush. And I'm going to go in with this shade Kiss My Ass. It's not quite matte. There's like a tiny little bit of glitter when I dipped my brush into that. Oh, that has excellent color payoff. I'm not leaving this so bright. I'm going to put a darker green over top, but so fun. Okay, and then over top of that, I'm going to put Act Natural. Alright, so now it's time for the shimmer, and I'm going to go start with the shade 50/50. That is really pretty. And I did decide I want to do a little bit of black to deepen up that outer corner, just like the tiniest bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna layer a little bit of this olive hue shade right on top just to give it like a yellowy green look versus like a shamrock green. I'm going to pull the highlighter shade that I used and I'm going to put that really intensely on my inner corner. Just my Pixie by Pecha, Glowy Gossamer Duo. Okay, that's pretty, but I want something with a yellow undertone. I'm gonna go in and start with my Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter. I love this green look, and I really feel like it makes my eyeshadow pop. Or my eyeshadow, my eye color pop. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my mascara. So I have the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara in Black on Black. And I'm just gonna start with that before I pop on my lashes. Okay, I'm gonna be totally honest. One more try, but that first swipe was super disappointing. It's fine because I'm gonna put false lashes on, but I would never use this mascara by itself. I feel like it just barely did anything for my lashes. It feels like a super dry formula. I wonder if it's just my bottle. And I usually love everything that Colourpop does, so that's super surprising. This is the look without lashes. So now I'm gonna pop my lashes on. So I'm gonna use my Lily Lashes for Sephora collection. They're my Lily Lashes in Miami. I'm gonna pop these on and be right back. Okay, my lashes are on, my bangs are done, and it is time to do lips. So, I feel like I look so glam. These are Miami lashes, which are like a cult favorite of the YouTube world, and for a good reason. They're so beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to be using 2 lip products today. My Sephora number 33 Cream Lip Stain and my Dose of Colors Goals Lip Gloss. I love this one because it's kind of like a clear lip gloss but with gold sparkle, which I think will look really pretty with the gold flecks on our eyes. So that's all we're going to do. I already prepped my lips by putting some chapstick on them so that it's not going to be too drying. So I'm gonna let that dry for a moment, and then we're gonna top that with the lip gloss. Okay, so now that it's just tacky and almost all the way dry, I'm gonna throw on my lip gloss. That's really pretty. It's super subtle, but it has just a hint of gold sparkle, which I really like. And I am rubbing that brush head off just so that I don't get liquid lipstick in this light colored gloss. Alright guys, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Hope that you learned something new and cool today and were inspired to use a little more color in your makeup routine this week. This was such an affordable palette. I think it was $12. Such a great color story, and it makes me want to get all their other palettes that are like monochromatic because I had a lot of fun playing in these greens, and it makes it really easy to grab colors if you're looking for one specific thing without having to search through all your palettes. So I'm digging it. Anyways guys, let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. Let me know if you liked this look. If you haven't yet, subscribe or like the video. And if you have any ideas for future videos for me that you're dying to see, let me know as well, and I'll be sure to put that in the video rotation for you guys. I hope you have an awesome rest of your week and weekend, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys!